Welcome to our video on the invoice approval process. We recommend that you involve project managers and team leaders in the review process as they know the most about the clients and the projects that you're working with each month. In this case, our project manager begins the review, and we've set a threshold within our system to alert and require our team leader's approval if the draft is adjusted by our project manager beyond a certain dollar amount. So Gary is our project manager today, and I'm on his home page under the Project Manager tab. I have some invoices that are pending my approval, and I'm going to select Beacon Bridge. So this project, the first thing I notice is that there's a red box next to the word draft. This indicates that I do not have project manager or team leader review or approval on this as of yet. I also see right away that there is a discrepancy and I need to make an adjustment because I am only allowed to bill 10 hours on contract documents this month. So I'm going to put a -14 here. And I'm going to add a comment that says, per client agreement. I don't see any other changes that need to be made right now on this draft invoice as a project manager. So I'm going to save this information, and I'm also going to submit it for approval by using the green thumbs up button. Now, as I mentioned, we do have alerts set up, and I want to have a second approval because my project manager has made a change to my draft. We don't want any surprises for the billing department, so I am going to go to my billing module, and I'm going to select my invoice configuration. My last tab is called Process, and here I see that I have required team leader approval for any changes that exceed $1 from the original draft amount. With that in place, I'm going to go back to Gary's home page, and we're going to review this as a team leader. Gary is actually the head of our engineering department, so he's also the team leader for this Beacon Bridge project. And we're going to select the project. And as team leader, I see draft now has a yellow box next to it indicating that our project manager has approved it. And I'm going to strictly look for the changes in the system. I see there has been an adjustment, and I see we went from 24 hours to 10. If I double click, I can see that my project manager has indicated he made this adjustment per the client agreement. Because that answers all of my questions and I agree with the changes, as team leader, I'm going to select the green thumbs up button and submit this for approval. Now I want to have our billing department verify this draft. This will be the final step. And to do that, we're going to go to our billing module, and we're going to select drafts right here. I see my draft here, and you'll notice there's now a green box next to it indicating that I do have project manager and team leader approval. I, as our billing department head, have verified all of the information on this invoice draft, and I'm going to select the green thumbs up button for approval. You'll see that we've created an invoice with a specific invoice number associated with it, completing our basic invoice process. The next step would be for the billing department to be paid by the client, and when this happens, they will again go into the system and select the green thumbs up button, which will change our status to paid. Once our invoice is paid, it removes it from our past due invoice report, and it also shows a paid status on all client statements that we will be sending in the future. Thank you very much.